Welcome to class 12 computer science online class. Today I am going to discuss about parameters in function. You know already what is a function. Function performs a specific task. Function contains code that will execute only when you call a function in your program. So our topic is parameters in a function. Write down parameters in a function. Parameters are also called arguments. Parameters and arguments are the data or values you pass in a function. Let's see an example. I am creating a function here def my function data print to pass data. Now here in my function there is a parameter inside the parenthesis data. Data is a variable. It is called a arguments and a parameter which you pass in this function, and the function can perform some operations on the arguments or parameters. Here the function is printing the data you have passed in the function. Let's call this function. How to call this function? My function, and suppose I am passing 250. Now I run my program. You can see you pass 250 is displayed on the screen. This is the output of this program. What happens when you pass 250? This 250 is copied in this data variable, and then this function operates some operation on this data, means it is printing that value on the screen. This is how arguments or parameter works in a function. Let's take another example. This time I am creating a function with two arguments def add all x y print sum is x plus y. Now you can see this function contains two arguments x and y, means you have to pass two values when you call this function in your program. For example, add all. Now I am calling this function and I am passing two values inside it, suppose 200 and 300. So the first value is copied in x and the second value is copied in y, and this function will gives the output print sum is x plus y, means 200 plus 300 500. So sum is 500. This will be the output. Let's see, sum is 500. So this is how parameters work in a function. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will explain some more concepts of parameter passing. Thank you.